Greetings to all of you, my lovely, beautiful, unbelievable downlines all over the world. This is, as usual, your chief and upline, Padman Sinatiraja, recording the Wednesday long-awaited message. Now, this Wednesday, I want to talk to you about something. I just met a group of Malaysians. I spoke to them. My message is very clear to everyone in network marketing. Firstly, I think we all get into this business by making various decisions at various levels of our life, okay? Some of you got into network marketing because you want money, all right, which is a good reason to get into network marketing, to improve our financial standing, to achieve financial freedom, all right? Some of you got into network marketing because you just thought that it was something exciting to do at that point of your life. But the million-dollar question to everyone, do you see this journey of yours with QNet as a long-term journey? Or is it a short-term journey that you are hoping something unbelievable is going to happen, all right, in your first month, your second month, okay? Now, the reason I'm asking this question to all of you out there is very simple. Because I realize when you decide something is going to be a long-term journey, that it's a major decision that you have made, all right, and you're going to stick with it for the longest time it requires, you suddenly have a higher level of tolerance for pain, all right? Okay, for example, my favorite topic, marriage, all right? If you're just dating a girl for the fun of it, the minute, or a boy, if you're dating a girl or a boy, I'm being equally, all right? I'm talking to the boys and girls out there. If you're dating a girl or a boy, all right, and you're just dating for the fun of it, like a casual dating, fling, or whatever you may call it, the minute you get any pain, you get any attitude or some characteristic you don't like in the person, it's over. You drop the person like a hot potato, it's done. That's short-term thinking, okay? Now let's change the scenario and you get married. I don't know why, but let's say you get married, okay? And you get married and that woman or that man becomes your wife or husband. Now this is long-term. This is a commitment. Big ceremony, big party, thousands of people come, all right? And suddenly you go through a rough patch. Whether you have a fight, a disagreement, you have a major issue with the person's character or attitude, all right? You don't walk away. You stand by that person's side, you try to correct the person, change the situation, but you stick by your guns, all right? And your tolerance, okay, for pain or whatever attitude you don't like in that person is much higher. Now, why the difference? Okay, the difference is simply that when you go out dating for the fun of it, there is no commitment. There is no long-term planning. There is no major decision that you've made. You're going for dinner, couple of movies, walk in the park. Okay, so I'm sounding like somebody from 1956. Okay, but when you're married, the commitment is long-term. All right, through better and worse till death to us part. All right, words which ring a bell in your mind right now, painfully. So the fact is, all right, you tolerate much more. Now, there's no difference in business. There is no difference in network marketing. If you are having a fling with QNet and you're trying it out, you want to try your hand at network marketing, you want to see what happens. You heard about this industry, you heard some success stories here and there, and you want to put a little bit of money, buy a beautiful product from QNet and give it a try. Now, the first sign of trouble, the first challenge you ever face, the first negativity you ever get thrown onto you, you walk away. And I've seen this happen over 15 years. But also, there are a lot of people who have been with us for 15 years. Some of them tremendously successful, financially free, some of them making good money, some of them making a little bit of checks, all right, every week. But they're still here after 15 years, all right? And they have gone through some rough patches. They have gone through some serious challenges, all right, various type of challenges, including myself. And the difference between these two type of people, those who stay and those who walk away, the first sign of trouble is what kind of commitment did you make? Were you going on a date with QNet, or did you get married to QNet? Or are you married to QNet? Because network marketing, contrary to popular belief, is a long-term business. Yes, you can achieve financial freedom in 3 years. Doesn't mean you quit after that. Doesn't mean you retire. All right? Because if you love your downlines, you love the concept of network marketing, you're going to keep networking as long as you live, in my opinion. all right? And you are still living a life of financial freedom because you make your own choices. So the bottom line is, the question I'm asking all of you out there this Wednesday, are you married to QNet? Is this a long-term relationship? Is this a serious commitment? Are you here with us for the long haul? As Dato Sri told me from day one when I signed up, Patman, is this your last ship? And am I your last captain? My answer to both was yes. That QNet is my last ship. It's a beautiful ship. And Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran, my mentor and upline, is my last captain. Right? That means I'm here for the long haul. Now, when you have that mindset that you're here for a long haul, every big challenge or big problem or great negativity you see, your tolerance level is so high, you take it like a man or a woman. All right? I got to be neutral here, all right? Non-biased. But I'm serious. You take and handle much more. You are able to handle much more pressure, much more negativity. All right, you're able to handle much more crisis simply because in your mind there is no word divorce from QNet. There's no word I quit or words I quit. That doesn't even exist in your mindset, that you're here for the long haul. And that's how I choose to live. I have seen great challenges on my journey in the past 15 years. I've lost my network. I've rebuilt my network. I lost it again. I've been challenged by negative media in the press, all right, corrupted authorities, everything. You name it, I have been through it. And the reason why I'm still here today, because QNet is a long-term commitment. All right, QNet is my last ship. I achieved financial freedom here. I'm grateful for the financial freedom that QNet and Dato Sri has given me. And I'm going to stay here and do my bit to contribute to making this company number one in the world. And you got to make that decision. Are you on a date or are you married? Now, once you make the decision, everything falls in place beautifully. If it's a date, all right, walk away at the first sign of trouble. All right, I'm not going to hold it against you. Maybe you're using QNet as a pit stop to fill up some emptiness in your life. Or maybe you just want to dabble in network marketing because you heard great stories about it. But if you're married, then stay strong. Become stronger. Become the face and voice of confidence to the people around you, that everything is going to be okay, no matter how great the challenge is. Because as your grandmother told you and my grandmother told my mother to communicate it to me, what doesn't kill you will only make it stronger, will only make you stronger. All right, and that stands true until today. There were times when I saw challenges and I said, oh my God, are we going to survive this? And Dato Sri will say, listen, Patman, we are going to survive this and we are going to come out stronger. And I've seen that for the past 15 years, guys. So what I'm doing right now is I'm proposing marriage to you. This is my proposal, guys. QNet is the best network marketing company you will ever find out there. All right, we're going to stay with you every single step of the way until you reach your dreams. All right, and I'm asking your hand in marriage, not on a date out for dinner. I want this to be a long-term relationship. All right, and I'm here every single step. I'm not going anywhere. All right, guys. Now, this has been an exciting couple of weeks. As you know, we launched Raise the Bar to the Max promo incentive, which have got unbelievable response from everyone. Lots of people have already qualified. And we have the super early bird, which ends on the 1st of November. So this is the last week, the last few days of the super early bird of Raise the Bar to the Max incentive promo. So guys, if you have any plans, put it on hold. If you are celebrating Diwali, a very happy Diwali to all of you, but don't switch off. Don't be distracted by whatever is happening around you. Stay focused, guys, because this whole promo of Raise the Bar to the Max is going to give you a lots and lots and lots of money, all right, from this unbelievable promo. So I want you to go out there and remember, ultimately, to benefit from this promo, you got to go out there and do fine too. You got to get a minimum of 4,000 BV, all right? Ultimately, it comes back to the three most important things I always talked about, which is presentation, presentation, and presentation. Exactly, all right? So I want you to really focus on the super early bird remainder, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all right? And maximize benefit from the bonuses paid out by QNet. So once again, all right, it's Wednesday and you were just proposed to by Padman Senathirajah, right? That I want you to be my long-term partner. I want you to be with QNet as your last ship and Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran as your last captain. All right? This is the most amazing, unbelievable journey you have ever will ever have in your life. And to keep you going and keep you focused, all right, my advice is drink alkaline water with the alkaline stick inside, okay? There's a lot of people ask me, how do I stay so youthful? And how do I have gorgeous skin? And how generally I'm just gorgeous? All right, it's because of alkaline water and of course the most unbelievable product, the Biodis 2. All right, so guys, it's Wednesday, super early bird coming to an end, and congratulations on your wedding day. All right, with QNet, that this is a long-term relationship you're going to have with one of the greatest companies in the network marketing industry. I'll be coming to Dubai. I'll see some of you in Germany. I'll see some of you in Sweden. I'll see loads of people in London. And then I'll see my rock and rolling brothers and sisters in Morocco and Burkina Faso, guys. We're going to close this year with a bang out there. So this is your chief signing off on Wednesday before I bought a flight all the way to the beautiful country of UAE. Keep raising the bar to the max.